你好. Today, we are going to learn the last group of initials. So, let's get started. G. This initial is difficult to pronounce as there is no equivalent sound in English. As an example, we can pronounce the word 中国, which means China. 中国. Please repeat G after me. G. 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 Next is Chi, like the word chin. Please repeat after me. Chi. 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 Next is Shi, like the word should. Please repeat after me. Shi. 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 Next is E, like the word lady. Please repeat after me. E. 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 And finally, the last initial is Wu, like the word wood. Please repeat after me. Wu. 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 Alright, in this lesson, we have learned Ji, Chi, Shi, Yi, Wu. So, we have just finished learning all the initials. Do you remember them all? Let's try revising through all of them. Po, po, mo, fo, da, ta, na, la, ga, ka, ha, ji, qi, xi, zi, ci, si, zhi, zhi, qi, shi, yi, wu. Keep practicing till you feel confident. I will see you in the next lesson. 再见。